Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study probability. Okay, the first problem of probability that we have to study now is in tossing a coin, what is the probability of getting a tail? Our solution, we have to determine the favorable outcomes. So the favorable outcome of tossing one coin, we can get only one tail. And for the possible outcome, if we're going to choose one coin, the possible outcomes, one tail and one head. So by using the formula, the probability of getting tail and choosing a coin, the favorable outcomes over the possible outcome. So by solving, the probability of tail is equals to the favorable outcome over the possible outcome is equals to 1/2. Our complete answer now, 1/2 is the probability in getting a tail and choosing a coin. The next problem, number 2, in choosing a coin, what is the probability of getting a head? It is just like similar in the first problem. This time asking for the head. So the probability of getting a head and choosing a coin, we have the solution. First, we have to determine the favorable outcome. And choosing a coin, the favorable outcome is only in choosing one coin is only one head that we can get. And for the favorable outcome and choosing a certain coin, head and tail. So our solution, the probability of getting head is equals to the favorable outcome over possible outcome rather is equals to 1/2 again. So our complete answer, 1/2 is the probability in getting a head and choosing a coin. And number 3 problem, if a 3-child family is selected at random, what is the probability of choosing a family with at least one boy? Our solution, first we have to determine the possible outcome. Since 3 childs, the first child may be boy and girl, and the second scenario may be boy and girl again, and the third scenario may be girl and boy. So by applying the principle of counting, we're going to multiply the first and second, third transaction. So 2 times 2 times equals 8. So our possible outcome now is 8. To determine the favorable outcome, and since the problem asking for at least one boy, so we have to do is to minus 8 is the possible outcome minus 1 equals 7. So therefore, by solving this by using the probability formula, the probability formula for 3 child is equals to favorable outcome over possible outcome. Our favorable outcome is 7 and our possible outcome is 8. So therefore, the probability of obtaining at least one boy is 7/8. Okay, next problem, number 4. What is the probability of choosing a month that starts with the letter J? Our solution, first we're going to determine the possible outcome, and we have only January, June, July, which is start with letter J. Then for our possible outcome is 12 months. To solve the probability of this J, which is amount that starts with letter J, is equals to the favorable outcome over possible outcome. Our favorable outcome, we have to count number of letter J in a month. 1, 2, 3, so 3. And for the possible outcome, we have 12 months in a year. So that's why we have 3 over 12, and we're going to reduce it. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, 12 divided by 4 equals 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So that's why our answer now is the probability of choosing a month that starts with the letter J is 1/4.